In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a pixel from Shopify, an essential step if you need to update your tracking settings or switch to a different pixel for your Shopify store. This process is straightforward but crucial for maintaining the accuracy and efficacy of your marketing and sales data. So whether you're revamping your digital marketing strategy or just tidying up your Shopify dashboard, I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's begin by navigating to the settings section of your Shopify account. To do this, first log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Settings option, usually found towards the bottom left of your screen. This is your primary hub for adjusting various components of your Shopify store, from payment gateways to shipping details. For today's task, we will focus on managing customer events. Within Settings, you'll see an option labeled Customer Events. Click on this to proceed. Customer Events is where Shopify stores important data about the actions users take in your store. And it's also where your pixels are managed. Pixels, as you might know, are pieces of code that gather useful data on customer interactions, feeding it back to platforms like Facebook for more targeted marketing analysis. It's crucial to manage these settings carefully to ensure that your analytics remain accurate. On the Customer Events page, you'll see a list of any pixels you currently have installed. Find the pixel you want to remove. Once you have identified it, look to the right-hand side where you should see a set of 3 vertical dots, often referred to as an ellipsis or the More menu. It's a simple but powerful feature that grants you additional control options. Click these ellipses to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find the Delete option. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation dialog to ensure you're certain about removing the pixel. Make sure you've chosen the correct pixel for deletion, as removing it means stopping any data flow from this source into your analytics dashboards. Confirm your decision, and just like that, the pixel is removed from your Shopify store. This deletion action will not affect past data, but keep in mind it will cease any data from this pixel moving forward. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that your store operates with the most relevant and up-to-date tracking mechanisms. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a pixel from your Shopify store. By keeping your pixel tracking tidy and up-to-date, you can make better decisions informed by accurate data. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials to help enhance your Shopify experience.